Welcome to this tutorial on connecting Bookseller Academy tools to your Amazon Seller Central account. The process is relatively simple, but please pay close attention as we guide you through the steps. First, you'll need to sign up for Bookseller Academy tools. Once you've done so, you will be directed to the home page where you will find a button labeled Connect to your Amazon Professional Seller account. Please click this button to proceed. Next, you will see a button labeled Get Started. Click this button to begin the process of connecting your account. You will be redirected to Amazon Seller Central to complete the authentication process. Please click the Get Authorization button and sign into your Amazon Seller Central account if you have not already done so. Before proceeding, make sure you read through all important information provided. If you agree, please check the box below. Then, click Sign Up/Login to Bookseller Academy. You will then be redirected back to our site. Click Confirm your authorization. Finally, to complete the process, click Save to finish. And that's it, you have now successfully connected Bookseller Academy tools to your Amazon Seller Central account.